Hello and welcome back to my channel. Dear Louise, my name is Louise and today I am at the Faber Castell Schloss Museum and Factory. Unfortunately, I'm not able to film the factory tours, but I will film like the shop area and of course as much as of the outside as I am allowed to. So today is my first tour out of 3 and I'm really excited, and yeah, it's actually a really nice weather today. It's been super hot the other days, but today it's kind of windy, the sky is full of clouds and stuff, so it's really nice temperature. And of course I might buy some stuff as well. I did buy some things the other day when I was at the visitor center, so I'm not going to buy that much. Also, I'm like extremely low in cash because this is my last stop on my Germany road trip. But as you can see behind me, there is all of the yellow buildings is part of the factory, I believe, and behind me on this side you can just about see some of the castle. So I'm really excited to be going inside, and tomorrow I'll have 2 of the other tours as well. Today is in German, and I did have German in school. Everyone in Denmark has to have like English and German because German is such a close country, and well, English because no one else speaks Danish. But my German is not that great, so hopefully I get something out of the tour as well. But like, just look at this really pretty area. Yeah, but enough talking, let's just get into the video. So I am ridiculously early and I was just reading some of the information on the wall, and they actually have a art academy. I didn't know that.
Etui von 1950 oder so.
I ended up buying way too much stuff, but a lot of them were really cheap or things that I haven't seen at home, so I splurged a bit. But I know it's stuff that I will use, and they actually gave me 3 free pencils as well because I bought so many stuff, and I am definitely going to try all of it out in a future video, so stay tuned and also see the vlog from tomorrow where I will be going to the castle and the production as well. I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed to film the production. I was actually able to film today, and the tour wasn't free. It was €9 per tour, but I think it was worth it in the end, and I also got a discount at the store because I was on the tour. So I think all in all it was a really great day, and I can't wait for tomorrow. So I just finished the castle tour and the production tour. It was really exciting, but my feet are like killing me now. We were able to take pictures on the outside of the castle, so I have a bit of film from there, but we were not allowed to film or anything at all at the production, obviously, and people were working there, so it makes sense. But we got gifts this time. So the first one is, I got this pack from the castle tour. It is 2 of their sparkly grip pencils. They're like super cute, and it says Faber Castell Leben, which is, I'm pretty sure it's like living, like Faber Castell living. Really cute pencils, and now I have seen like how they make them, and they have like this sparkly thing at the end as well. It's kind of hard to focus, but really cute. And then because I was on the both tours, I got a different gift for the second tour, and I'm really glad I did, because this is super like cool. It's this pencil. It says Faber Castell. It is a 2B pencil, and it has this top cap, and I'm not quite sure what it does. Maybe it actually sharpens it. I'm not really sure because I cannot see anything inside of it, but you can like twist this, so it's probably sharpening it. I don't know, because this one is like really sharpened still, so yeah. But there's like a rubber eraser, and then this cap, and probably an eraser inside, like I don't know, but yeah, it doesn't sound, I can't hear if it's erasing or not, but pretty cool though. Well, like you can have like your pencil with you everywhere if you want to do that. But yeah, really cool. I love that they give gifts. Yeah, that was the last part of my Faber Castell tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. It was super fun and I loved it. And yeah, I just hope you guys will hang on for my future videos, and if you want to do so, make sure to hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my future videos where I try out some of the supplies that I got here at the Faber Castell production site. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and as we say in Denmark, hej hej!